Hey guys, I'm Todd King 101, and I'm making this video about my Nerf guns. Right here we have a long shot, and yeah. Then next we have Recon. Recon's one of my favorite guns. It's very good. You also have a laser to to put the laser in, see, right there, yeah. All you have to do is unscrew this, and then put batteries in it, and then turn this button where it says on, and then you'll be able to see the little laser going on, yeah, so, yep. Also, a lot of attachments for this gun. Actually, only only 3 attachments. Next we have the double shot. I just got this a few days ago. I like it. My friend, the Keyblade Master MY, got it for me. There's a department that you put your bullets in, and there's also shells that you have to put in order to work the gun. Also, I would never use this I would use this for a primary, but, you know, not a secondary if I'm, like, getting shot at or anything like that, or I'm on the ground. It's a very good gun. For me, I'm not going to saw it off, sorry guys, but if you saw it off, it will be like mod, it will be. It will be able to shoot farther. Right now, all it does is really shoot like only 10 baby footsteps away from me. Then we have a Maverick. Yep. This I would always use as my secondary if I'm down, definitely. The reason why I would do that is because it's a very, very good gun. Yeah, that's the Maverick. Then we have the Element. I would also use this as when I'm down, as a secondary. Very good gun. A lot of my friends, whenever I bring these over and make like Nerf Wars, they always want to play it with this gun for some reason. It's a very good gun, the Element. So yeah, then we got, I forgot what this gun was called, but I think the Strike Finder or whatever, yeah. This is another good gun, kind of, if you're like down, to use a secondary like this. Yeah. And I had doubles of this, but I gave one to my friend for a Christmas present. Then we got a Night Finder. And the Night Finder's very good. A good secondary again. I got double Night Finders, but I don't have my other Night Finder right now because I have it at my cousin's house. So yeah. Then we have our Mag Strike. You have to pump it 20 times. That's the bad thing about it here. I'll just try to do it fast. And when you hear that noise, then you're all ready to go, and then definitely use this for a primary, definitely. And my favorite gun so far, but I might be getting a Stampede, and that will be my favorite, is the Vulcan. I love the Vulcan. Very, very good machine gun, definitely. Yeah. It is a very good machine. Yeah, I also have the tripod on it. It comes inside the box with it. And, yeah. And so, that's really it, guys. And, thanks for watching. Subscribe.